A recent study has shed light on a concerning aspect of GLP-1 drugs, leaving many with a sense of uncertainty. The potential off-ramp from these medications may not be as smooth as hoped for some individuals. The study focused on 308 participants who had benefited from tirzepatide, a GLP-1 drug. The results showed that a significant portion, 82%, regained a substantial amount of weight after stopping the medication. Specifically, 57% regained at least half of their lost weight, and an alarming 24% regained 75% or more. This weight regain was accompanied by a reversal of the cardiovascular and metabolic health improvements they had achieved. However, there was a small group of 54 participants, 17.5%, who did not experience significant weight regain. Interestingly, their health metrics did not worsen across the board. While blood pressure increased slightly, cholesterol levels remained stable. This group's response to the drug withdrawal remains a mystery, with researchers unable to identify any clear differences in their characteristics.